Hello students, welcome to our online class. Today's our topic is the plant part as food. Standard 6, the lesson number 1 science, continuation of first lesson. Our today's topic is the plant part as food. So students, you have already learned that the plant is one of the sources of food. Students, can you guess which part of the plants used as food? Look at the picture. A plant with different parts. Leaf, flower, fruit, stem and root. These all are the different part of the plant. Sometimes we use as food leaf, sometimes flower, fruit, stem or root. Now we will discuss in which plant. First one, in which plant the leaf is used as food. The leaf is used as food in cabbage and spinach. Second, flower. In which plant flower is used as food? The flower is used as food in pumpkin and cauliflower. The fruit is used as food in mango, apple, orange, etc. And in which plant the stem is used as food? The stem is used as food in ginger, onion and potato. And in which plant the root is used as food? The root is used as food in carrot and sweet potato. So we can just say that the different part of the plant used as food. Next, some plants have 2 or more edible parts. Some plants have 2 or more edible parts. Students, edible part means eatable part. Edible part means eatable part. So, example of this, first one, mustard. In mustard, 2 edible parts are there. The first, the seed is used as food and the leaf is used as food. In mustard, seed and the leaf. So, in mustard, 2 edible parts are there or 2 eatable parts are there. The next, the students, can you think in banana plant, which part we used as food in banana? Can you think in banana? In banana plant, we use flower, fruit, central core of trunk. Students, central core of trunk means the central part of the stem. Means central part of stem. In some plants, 2 or more edible parts. The mustard, seed and leaf are edible part. In banana, the fruit, flower and central part of trunk. These are the edible parts of banana. Mostly we do not eat some food item as raw, but some food items eaten as raw prepare it differently. Some food item. Some the food item we eaten as the raw it prepare differently. This can be explained with the help of an activity. For this activity we need different materials. The materials we need for this activity needed for this activity मूंग दाल और चना दाल, कॉटन क्लॉथ, कंटेनर और ग्लास बीकर. For this activity we need the materials like मूंग दाल और चना दाल. Next material cotton cloth or container or glass beaker. Now we will discuss that activity. The first you take the some seeds of मूंग दाल or चना दाल. First we take some seeds of seeds of मूंग दाल. The next step that we put the मूंग दाल in a water containing glass beaker. The glass beaker filled with water. The put these seeds first we take the seeds of मूंग दाल. The next step take some water in a glass beaker and put these seeds into the glass beaker. Let them overnight. Next day drain out the water from the glass beaker. Drain out the water. Next day drain out the water from the glass beaker. Covered these seeds with a clean cotton cloth. Covered these seeds with a clean cotton cloth. Observe the seeds in the next morning. Observe the seeds in the next morning. Then you can see that the seeds start germinating. Seeds start germinating. The seeds start germinating. In small classes, you have learned that the seed germination, the white structure, small white structure that is come out from the seed. This is the small white structure that is come out from the seeds. That process is called seed germination. The next morning, we observe the seed. Then you can see that the seed started germinating. These seeds are called sprouted seed. These are called sprouted seeds. These sprouted seeds are very good for health, and it is the source of easily digestible protein. You can eat them as such, or after boiling slightly, you can eat them. It is very good for health and a good source of easily digestible protein. So, from this activity, we concluded that conclusion of this activity, the sprouted seed of some plants are used as food. What is the conclusion of this activity? Sprouted seeds of some plants used as food item. This is the conclusion of this activity. Thank you, students.